channel. I'm Susmita Rout. Welcome you to my channel today. Hi! So today I will be showing you all amazing thing, and that too all about is how I'm making the notebook, the handmade notebook. You're going to watch the process and I hope you like it. Let's get into the video. So these are the things you required for the notebook, the handmade notebook you are supposed to make. So here are some papers that I have purchased. It hardly cost me much because it is quite cheap. You can get it from anywhere, from Xerox shops or anywhere, I can say. Any stationery shops as well. So I have folded this in one size, and so that I can make a proper notebook out of it because I required it. And then I'm going to use some elastic and then some needles and threads to stitch it, and some buttons. I'm going to show you how I'm doing it because it's quite a surprising thing, and telling you all this material is not satisfying because the process will make you aware of what I'm doing. Here is the cloth I'm going to use to make the cover, and you require this paper clip also, so that you can use it while stitching the notebook or making any holes, so that the paper will remain balanced and will not move. Yes, and of course you require one scissor to make it proper size, or else you can use a cutter. You require this beautiful needle as well to do the stitching part. Yeah. Here is the needle. This one is the biggest needle I'm going to use, and here is some set square which will help me to measure it out, so where I am going to make holes and all. So let's get into the video for the process now. Let's start the cover first. So here I am measuring out with the help of scale and the material which is going to be covered. So the notebook outside cover I'm making here, and I thought to drop down the idea of lace to make the complete lace work around the cover. So I have done only one-sided, and so that a little work of lace work will be there and few embroidery work will be there. And here I thought another idea to add some pockets to keep some scissor or a pen. It will be like a very easy, durable thing. Wherever you go, you can carry it as with the notebook. And so that's why I made this small, beautiful pocket, that kind of thing. And it took me a lot of hours to make it out and size it out and then fix it on the top of the cover. Really, it was totally a hard work thing I have done. And then I have thought to add some thread work to it so that it will look beautiful whenever it looks from outside. So it is going to give me a vintage stuff and some thread work. And if you do remember, it is a patchwork style. So yeah, and here I am thinking to now make the cover a little hard because cloth will look a little dandy type piece. It won't look that heavy rich look, so I have reused the Nika cardboard, or we can say Nika box, and then I have fixed it with the cloth. Just like during the childhood we used to cover it our notebooks. So here I'm stitching it up rather than sticking it, because it will remove anytime the sticking part is not there. So here I'm measuring some to make a hole basically in the papers so that I can stitch it and give that stitching look. And if you have seen or not, during earlier times people used to do most of this kind of stuff, and it actually remains quite well for long years. So I love this kind of sting, so I did it in my way. That's all. I hope you like the final look. Yes, this is the final look of my notebook, Handmade notebook. Here's a sneak peek of a little change in my life, where I love to be part of the changed world, but at the same time keeping in mind the magic inside the notebook. Yes, the magic inside the notebook is to keep and preserve all your thought process and everything else which keeps you haunting, and then you decide to be a chick. So never get disappointed from your own self. Be the magic, and remember that you are the most beautiful person in built with a really colorful wings around you. You can build your own castle of dreams, desires, and everything else. Nobody is stopping you to do anything new. So remember forever that you are the most magical piece in the whole world. Yeah. So I thought of making this video basically for keeping all my things preserved in one beautiful notebook, and this is the piece that I have created. You have seen the process, and it was one of the incredible things I have done so far, because I have done so many things, but this is quite close to me because I have given my own style to this beautiful notebook. And this is the bohemian and vintage as infusion. So I have given this my look, my version to the notebook, because I really love the vintage stuff and the handmade stuff as well. So this piece you can gift it to anyone. They will going to love it if they are like a writer or poet or imaginator, or the people like me, an artist. So love this. They will love it actually, for gifting such an incredible piece, as I love all these things as a gift. So if you're watching and if you want to impress me, this is the way you can impress me. You can gift me those handmade stuffs because I love handmade stuffs, and this is one of the thing which is going to be remembered if someone gifts you. Yes, if someone gifts you such kind of things, you're going to admire the hard work preserved behind this beautiful piece. I hope you like this, and yeah, so I hope you like the video, and you're going, whatever your suggestion or comments, how you like it or not, just let me know. And make sure, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. That's all. I hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you for watching it. Thank you so much.